Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your ports and cables, HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C, because compatibility prevents later headaches. Once done, power both monitors and connect them to the GPU or docking station. Make sure the primary display is the one you want for menus. If an adapter is needed, choose an active converter. This step prevents resolution and refresh rate mismatches. Finally, boot and watch for signal. If you see none, swap cables to isolate the problem and proceed to configuration. Now you configure the OS so the system knows how to use both screens. Open display settings and drag the monitor icons to match your physical layout. This makes the mouse move naturally between them. Next, set resolution and scaling per display so text and windows appear correctly. Choose refresh rates supported by each monitor. Then select extend or duplicate depending on your workflow. Once arranged, test by moving a window across. Fix flipped orientation or mismatched scaling if movement feels off. Finish by optimizing behavior and preventing issues. You should set which display holds the taskbar, configure app preferences for which monitor opens new windows, and use GPU control panels for color calibration. Save window positions with an app or OS feature if you switch layouts often. If something goes wrong, blank or black screen, start troubleshooting. Swap cables, try another port, reboot the monitor, or reinstall GPU drivers. These steps isolate hardware from software faults and get you back to a dual display setup quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.